In this video, you can find out how to assemble a full-height shutter frame and pre-drill the holes ready for fitting. Start by laying the frame out on the floor. The frames are labelled left, right, top and bottom. Peel off any label and align any extensions you have. Then re-stick the label over the frame and extensions to keep them in position. Where possible, we recommend gluing the corners of the frame. Use some cardboard underneath each corner to keep the frame flat and to keep the glue off the floor.
Use a 2-part mitre glue, as this only takes 10 seconds to stick.
Spray one side of the mitre, as this needs a little time to dry, and glue the other side of the mitre. Insert a corner connector, then quickly adjust the mitre so it lines up. Tap the end of the frame so corner connector locks into position. There is a small protruding lug which locates into the side of the frame. Hold the frame together for about 10 seconds. Repeat this for the next corner of the frame. The last frame needs to be done together. Spray both ends of the frame and glue both ends. And insert the corner connectors. Bring the frame together so the mitres are almost touching. Then glue one side and then the other. Remove the labels and mark in pencil which is the top of the frame. You're now ready to mark where you're going to drill. So lift the frame into the recess. Place a couple of packers underneath to get the frame in the correct position.
We are fixing along the bottom on the left, centre and right, and up the sides below each hinge.
Mark in pencil where you're going to drill the holes. The next step is to drill 10mm pilot holes through the first layer of plastic, taking care not to mark the edge of the frame with the drill. Change to a long 4mm drill bit to pilot the screw holes. Take care not to catch the chuck of the drill on the edge of the frame. You may need to angle the hole slightly depending on how much window frame you have to fix into. You're now ready to start installing the shutter frame to your window, and you can watch how to do this in our full height fitting video.